Hey neighbor, do you know what thatch is? Do you know how thatch is going to affect your lawn? Stick around, let's talk about it. So if you look at this plug, you're going to see the different layers of your lawn. You have your grass, you have the soil underneath, and in between here, you have thatch. Now, thatch is undecomposed organic matter. It can be comprised of dead leaves, dead grass, your root material, the crowns of the grass, anything that has not yet decomposed yet, but is organic matter. It's not only your dead grass. All right, again, now if you can see, you have your top layer, which is your grass. You have your bottom layer, which is your soil. In between here, this section here, is your thatch. Now, normally this decaying organic matter is going to become nutrients for your lawn, but until then, it can pose a problem. You see, this thatch can act like a sponge and prevent your lawn from getting the nutrients or the water that it wants. The thatch also is going to impact your nutrients or your fertilizers that you put down on your lawn. This layer, again, is going to act like a barrier, preventing those fertilizers, especially those granular fertilizers, from getting down into the soil. So if you do dethatch your lawn, you'll notice that you have a greater impact from fertilizing, and you'll see faster results. So one thing you can do for your lawn to help it, if you have a lot of thatch, is to dethatch. Now, dethatching is going to help your lawn in many ways, including opening it up for nutrients like we just talked about, and it also can open up your lawn if you have Kentucky bluegrass like I do, helping the lawn to better spread out. Now, in order to dethatch, you could use a simple rake like this one, or a better option is to use this dethatching rake that's made purposefully for dethatching. Now, if you look at your dethatching rake, you'll notice that one side has curved blades and the other side has straight. The straight blades are for dethatching your lawn. The curved side is for tilling your soil. So just make sure that you use the straight side. You also notice that it has these little adjustment knobs right here. This is going to change the angle of your blade, allowing you to aggressively dethatch or not aggressively dethatch. It's up to you. Now lastly, and probably the most efficient and easiest way to dethatch your lawn, especially if you have a larger lawn, is to use a power dethatcher. This is an electric dethatcher from Greenworks. Now this dethatcher has tines on the bottom that spin around and take out the thatch in your lawn. Now you can adjust the tines by the wheels, again, if you want a more aggressive dethatching or not aggressive. And with fall being around the corner, you're going to start hearing a lot of people talking about dethatching. So I thought it was fitting to talk about this so you guys can have a better understanding of what dethatching is. Now, you want to dethatch when your lawn is actively growing. That's why fall is usually the best time to do it for us cool season folk, or the springtime. But just to make sure that I'm not giving you guys the wrong idea that all thatch is bad, some thatch is good. Now on your lawn, you're going to want your thatch layer to be about 1/2 of an inch thick, or maybe a little bit less. Because in the summer, thatch is going to help shade and cool off those roots. In the winter, it's going to provide some insulation for your grass. And throughout the year, thatch can help to cushion foot traffic. Now, you're often going to hear people talking about dethatching when it comes to overseeding. If you want to see a video that I did about overseeding last year, check out this video.